We are driving again. Hello! Doing some dumb shit again. We're gonna go get one of my hoopties and we're gonna drive it somewhere, and then I don't know what happens. We just think of something and then we just do it, and then something happens. So we're gonna get my Calibra, if anyone remembers. I still have that for some fucking reason. And yeah, we're kinda in a hurry. We're supposed to be there in 10 minutes, so we will be. BMW power. So, okay, I have the tools, I have coolant, I have all that shit. We need to fill up a tire. I have temporary plates, so then we can drive it around. Let's just get there. Yeah. Still waiting. This thing's so slow, look at this! What the fuck? Why do I own this? Yeah, right. We changed the battery, so yeah. Okay. No smoke. Got my little helper here, filling up tires. Just fill all of them up, please. I think it also needs some coolant, so we'll do that. Then we'll put the plates on and then we're gonna rock and roll. At the gas station. Look at this guy. I can see shit out of the car, it's pretty dirty, so you know, fill it up real quick because it's been pretty empty and this gas is like 2 years old and it's pretty nasty, so then we're gonna go to the car wash probably. Proper BMW driver. Yeah. Okay, we will not do it. Ah yes, it has been so long. Drives like shit. The power's pretty good. The ABS light is on. There's a huge clanking noise from the front because the wheel weights hit the brake calipers. Classic Calibra experience. But it still goes. Just look at it, freshly washed. My other junk, let's forget about that, but welcome to my new garage, I mean our garage. Awesome. So it smells like shit.
Yeah, it smells like asshole, but whatever. So first things first, it's a bit narrower from the start, so to get a car in here I think we'll have to delete these shelves that were in here for some reason, so we're just gonna take this off. And as you can see up above here, we already have BMW parts, of course, and a bunch of other shit, but other than that, hopefully we can fit the Calibra in here, and a bunch of crappy German parts, and yeah, new garage time. Looks awesome in the garage. Yeah, so I guess we'll reorganize this garage a little bit, maybe do some shit with the shelves. We were thinking, I guess, remove those, put like some higher ones up there in the back so you can just nicely park it in there, easily open the door. We have storage up there, we have storage there. And he has like 3 other garages like over there, so who cares? So here's the Calibra. Many of you maybe don't know that I own this. This is my 93 Calibra. We've restored it. Just go.
Which year did you buy it?
I just found the papers today when I bought it from the TDI racer. It was 2016. So that was a long fucking time ago. And then we completely restored it, painted it. Then somebody ruined my bumper, and Rox also ruined my bumper, and I ruined it with a power washer, so whatever. We're gonna fix it one day maybe, or sell it, I don't know. I was selling it. I was selling it so far, but not a single buyer. Everyone's like, oh yeah, I wanna buy it. 500 euros. And I said, fuck you.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, so here it is. It actually works great. It was sitting for like 1 year almost now. And we just put a battery in and it just started up first try. So,
give me the battery back.
I sold the battery that I got for the Calibra with the Daewoo Racer, so oops. Oh yeah, I also sold the Daewoo Racer. Here's a clip of it going away. I also sold the 16 valve swap for the Calibra. I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna do anything with it. So. This engine is bulletproof as is, so I'll just keep it like this. I have enough other projects, but this one at least kinda works and everything.
This will be your daily.
Yeah. I mean, if I got everything to seal, all the door seals, because it's leaking really badly on that side. And if
On another side, in trunk.
it's fine. And if I fix the ventilation so it actually works, so it actually blows air. Like it blows hot, but it barely blows anything, so it's kind of shitty. And probably because it leaks over
Give
there.
this to me, I fixed ventilation in BMW.
Yeah, I saw how you fixed some other things, so like the sunroof. So I'm not gonna do.
It's there!
Yeah, in pieces.
And no, it's working.
So yeah, maybe we're gonna register this. We got some ideas. And I also got a bunch of parts for this. Maybe one day I'll bring them here and we'll just look at it. But I got temporary plates for 5 days, so I think we're gonna have to go drive around there a little bit.
Okay,
One day.
let's go.
Saab, a junky BMW and another battery.
60 ampere
Oh yeah.
on a 3.5.
Let's see if this thing even starts
This car
anymore.
didn't run for like...
Yeah, it's been in here without paint for ages.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Not enough power. Oh well, shit. Check this out. We painted the arches on the Saab. And it's pretty fucking perfect for spray paint, I'd say. There's like, it's pretty clear, just some dust, but we're gonna polish it, I guess, and do the fucking blend in. But other than that, goddamn, looks pretty good.
On the other side,
Yeah, we're not gonna look on the other side, but I think we can polish it. But it's pretty freaking good. I bought some nice stuff for the Calibra today. New oil filter, got some cheap oil also. And what else did we get? We got a polishing machine from Angel, German Chinese quality, awesome.
And we have bills,
Yeah.
which is very important now.
Don't care. This was like 60 bucks. So,
Okay.
see, here it is. The main thing. Pretty good. Comes with a handle, that's good. Comes with the wall pad, that's okay.
The most
And-
important is this for cleaning the ice and ears.
Well, you could also put sandpaper on this, but whatever. We have the sanding thing. And of course the wall pad for fine polishing, that's good. Now we just need to buy some polishing pastes and then we can polish the Saab. Then maybe we can polish the Calibra. And then we'll start a polishing business and then we can earn money. Yes, now we're gonna go for a drive with this. Hopefully it doesn't blow up somewhere. And we'll take some pictures because we always take pictures.
Okay. We'll do some quick start. Perfect. Mint. So yeah, we always have one problem. It's a downhill. Got that.
Power steering noises, brake noises. Just gotta love old Opels.
It's cold.
It's an Opel, it's good. Oh, this is power. Compared to the fucking BMW. God damn. It's been a long time since I was driving this. And I forgot how shitty it actually drives, but that's only because the suspension is fucked completely. It has lowering springs, it has blown shocks, it has terrible bushings. You know, the usual shit. One day I might replace it.
You will need to change ABS.
I have ABS sensors at home, so we might do that one day.
Not
and
at home. You need to bring it to your garage now.
Yeah. It needs new ABS rings, so we're totally not doing that. fine.
Why not?
Yeah, 'cause, it's fine, it works.
Guy in the MOT will kill you.
No, I'll just take out the light. Who cares? I've had enough of pointing with this car.
He will kill me. Oh no. What a speed. The speed limit is 70, not 140.
I thought it was miles.
Okay.
It's fine. What is? It's a Mitsubishi Shogun.
Oh my god.
Fucking all is there. No cars, no cars, no cars. It doesn't feel like accelerating, but we're going 100 already.
What the hell? In a queue.
That was like, I think that was happening last time. It's just the expansion thing.
We'll see.
Oh yeah, and it's this old oil burning off. Because it's a cork valve cover gasket and they're fucking terrible. As you can see, I replaced that. And I did like a few thousand kilometers with it and it's total junk. So I guess we're gonna replace that soon. Next time I order from Autodoc, I'm buying new gasket, new expansion tank. I think I'm just gonna buy some new hoses and shit just to make sure it doesn't blow up. Other than that, it works. Look at it. There's still water in it. What else do you want?
First road trip after like 2 years.
Very good.
Went well. It was smoking out of the hood a little bit because everything's leaking a bit, but it's an Opel. Like I always say, it has to leak coolant and oil. Otherwise it's not an Opel.
Capture me now.
So
It's
yeah,
not my problem that you have Opel. Oh my god, it's too fuck.
it smells like coolant. I love it. Welcome to the garage of broken dreams. Yes. So as you can see right here, I'm kind of missing the bumper, and yeah, there's some paint missing here, and it seems like this is not the proper curve anymore. So this is fucked. This is fucked. This thing's fucked. These plastics are fucked. So just 2 days ago, I was happy driving this. Everything was great, and then it was Friday, and I said, well, I'll take this to work. It's gonna be a nice sunny day, so I have the templates. I'll just drive to work. So I did, and we went to lunch, and I went through a roundabout, and a guy in a BMW went flat out into the roundabout and hit me right there. So the front bumper came off, smacked the fender on this side, went like this way, took off all the headlights, smashed this, he smashed this part, and a bunch of plastics fell off. So yeah, it's pretty fucked. It was his fault. So I went to go get my insurance done, and pretty much they said this car is totaled because the cost of all these repairs is more than the car is worth, because this is a 1993. It's not like an old timer yet here. It doesn't have any special status, so pretty much it's a 93 car, so it's worth 300 bucks. And I explained to them that it's rare, that it was restored and everything, so they raised the price to like to an average used market price. So pretty much they said it's worth like 2 grand, and there's like 3 grand of damage on here because bumpers, lights, paint on the fender, on the hood and everything. So it's totaled, and I don't know how much I'm gonna get yet, but they said like I'm gonna get 500 bucks for this whole thing. So even though this car's totaled, it's totally smashed up, I'll probably still repair it. I just need the money, and don't worry about it. We'll get a new fender, we'll get a new bumper. I have glass lights. We'll just straighten that out a little bit. There's some paint fuckage on the hood here because this smashed in real bad. We'll make this great again. I'll also take this opportunity to install my Xander lips because I have them, so we'll paint that, we'll put it on the bumper, and we'll make this awesome again. We just need to wait for the money. Then we'll take all of this off. This is crumpled in pretty bad, so this is a smashed in, so this will need pulling out. This is bent a little bit, but this was never great to begin with. I don't know about the damage of all this stuff. I think this is okay. This piece that comes on here fell off. You can see this is all that's left. And yeah, this is pretty bad. All the headlight mountings cracked off, so you know, I just put some zip ties on, drove home. Still drives fine, nothing else is damaged, the wheel's fine, everything's fine. The wheels are garbage anyways. But yeah, wasn't a great day, it sucked ass, but what you gonna do? BMW drivers, fucking assholes. Next video, we're gonna be taking all of this off. I already have a guy that's gonna get me some parts for this, and we're gonna make it great again. I can also show you the bumper right here. This is all that I picked up from the road, all that's left of the bumper. So here it is. Pretty much came right apart at this point, and yeah, it split in half. It literally punctured a hole through here. It exploded up here. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, as you can see, the BMW, actually, you won't believe it, the only damage on the BMW that hit me is a rash on the wheel. Literally, he hit me with the rear left wheel into my fender, into my bumper, and his car made it off with one single scratch, and my car is pretty much totaled. So all the mountings here broke off, of course. This cracked a little bit, but this is kinda okay still. I just put some glue on. Then this freaking thing exploded. The mask is still okay, but we cut it once here because it didn't fit, so maybe we'll just get another one of those. This is okay if I repaint it, but I'm gonna get a different bumper, I guess, anyways. I have the old bumper, but yeah, I don't know, I'll just get another one. So yeah, this is pretty nasty. I'll insert some pics of the damage. Actually, we made it off pretty lucky, considering that guy was going way above the speed limit. Now it's just slowly going through a roundabout, and he hit me. I had a passenger, and if he hit me in the door, T-boned me, the passenger would probably be very fucked. So I guess we made it off good, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll just close this garbage. When you get rid of one car, another project appears. This car is really never meant to be. I've had like 3 different bumpers already in this car. People keep hitting it, I don't know what the deal is, but everything else is good. We're gonna do that. We're gonna replace some stuff on the engine to make it leak less. You know, more Calibra videos, you guys love it, so whatever. If anybody got some Calibra parts, hit me up. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Sad day.